talking to the moon. Trying to get to you.
Today we're on Marco Island checking out my new waterfront listing. This property is currently in a rental pool, so it's great for investors or it can be a place to call your own. Let's go inside and take a look.
Talking to me too. Oh, am I a fool who sits alone talking to the moon? Talking to the feeling like I'm famous. I'm the talk of the town. They say I've gone mad. Yeah, I've gone mad.
So if you're looking for views like this here on Marco Island, give us a call or click one of the links down below.